The introduction branch covers abstractions, non-functional characteristics, and estimation techniques to set the stage for system design. The building blocks branch explores core components like DNS, load balancers, databases, caches, queues, and more, essential for modern system design. This course is organized into Introduction, Building Blocks, Design Problems, and Epilogue, guiding you from fundamentals to real-world system design challenges. The Design Problems branch features real-world scenarios like designing YouTube, Twitter, and more, helping you apply system design concepts in practice. The Epilogue branch wraps up the course with lessons from spectacular failures and concluding remarks for your system design journey. This course uses a modern approach, constructing complex systems from smaller, reusable building blocks. Each building block is treated as a mini design problem, deepening your understanding of system components. We use a layer-by-layer approach, incrementally improving designs to address new bottlenecks. We evaluate each design for accountability and performance, ensuring practical solutions. This course updates classic problems with the latest industry practices and solutions. Each design problem is chosen for its unique problem-solving and learning value. Let's start our system design journey, explore, practice, and master modern system design. Thank you for exploring the strengths and structure of this course. Continue your journey by diving into the next chapters to deepen your system design expertise.